And my beautiful wife Tanya taking a little cruise, drying herself off. Is that your mama? Huh? Is that your mama over there? What's she doing? What's she doing, bud? What's she doing? Alright guys, we're gonna get some lunch going. We're doing burgers today. Got a beef patty for myself. Gonna throw some sharp cheddar cheese on it. And the wife's got a, what's it called, babe? A Beyond?
Beyond Burger.
A Beyond Burger patty. She's vegetarian, so it's a veggie one. I've cooked those before. They're actually pretty cool. I took a bite. It was fine. I'm not gonna say anything bad about it. Could definitely tell the difference between a real burger, but it was tasty and it cooks like a real burger. It's not. We've cooked some weird veggie stuff like Smart Dogs. Those things are like from outer space. It's weird, but this thing cooks just like a beef burger. So let's see what we got going here.
So that's the Beyond
Plant-based
Burger.
patty.
Yeah. There are two in there, but I only want one today.
Okay, we'll cook you one of those.
And you and Coop have just regular.
We each get a patty.
Yeah, lean beef burgers.
Okay, and then a couple corn cobs.
Yeah,
oh,
just
nice.
Fiber. Yeah.
Are those cooked already, or?
They were frozen, so you just probably.
But I mean, did you cook them? Oh, okay. So I just gotta warm those. Okay. And then here we got the Kuma 160. Get this bad boy ready. So it's cleanish. The grill's clean. Underneath could get clean, but we're good. Yeah. So all right, let's get the gas tank on. We'll get it lit, and we'll get lunch going. It's a pretty good grill, but for the price, it's not the cheapest thing. It's all stainless steel. I do wish that it had an igniter built in, and I wish it had a temperature gauge. There's nothing built in, so it's pretty. It does a good job. It has a nice big drip tray underneath it. It doesn't drip anything on the deck. It's got the quick release pedestal, real good for storage. But I think for this price point on this, it should have an igniter built in, and it should have a temperature gauge. That's just my opinion. So, like I said, I do everything on low. I'm just gonna turn on low, and it's lit. Already getting hot. Whole burner's lit. I'll just put the lid down, let it heat up on low. And one of the things I love about the Bass Buggy, you got all these tool holders. You can put all kinds of stuff there. You can keep your spatula there. It's a really nice setup. This is supposed to be for fishing rods, but we make it work. All right, so Coop gets a beef patty. I get a beef patty.
They are lean, so I don't know. I hope they don't fall apart.
I'll just be careful when I flip them. Yep, we're going. Sizzle going. And you just want one of these?
Yep.
They look weird, but they cook like burgers, and Tanya swears they taste like burgers.
No, Beyond's really good.
Alright, burgers are on. What I like to do on just about everything, Montreal steak seasoning. This is great stuff. We got in the shaker top here. I just give it a little tap. It'll stick. And then when we flip it, I'll do the other side a little bit. But this will kind of cook into the meat a little bit.
Nice.
Gives a nice good flavor. So I'll get those going, and then we'll throw the corn on. Since we're just warming the corn, we'll throw that on in a little bit. But yeah, you gotta watch this baby. It gets hot quick. You gotta keep an eye on it, and you gotta be ready to flip them. All right, so today drinking Sierra Nevada Fantastic Haze Imperial IPA. Look for this orange can, guys. Now there's another one that looks like this, same brand, Sierra Nevada. It's an orange can, but it's not the same beer. Make sure it says Fantastic Haze. It's an IPA, it's 9%. but it does not taste like a 9%. It's not real harsh. It's not like a real hard double IPA. It's got a real good flavor to it. My wife even will get into that a little bit. She's been doing the White Claws.
Yeah, this is what I drink.
She's got one of every flavor. She's got raspberry,
Well, you have
grapefruit,
to.
black cherry, lime. But this is a good one. 9% gives you a real nice buzz, but it's not harsh. It tastes good, it's refreshing, but it's got to be ice cold. That's why we do the 20-pound bag of ice in the cooler. Nothing but drinks in that cooler. They're always ice cold when you grab them out of there. All right. Like I said, this baby gets hot quick, so we'll go ahead and do a flip, even if it's not quite time. We'll go ahead and flip these over. Looks like they're coming along nicely. Haven't burnt anything yet, so that's good. It's cooking nice. So now we've got them flipped. We'll do a little Montreal on this side. It's just a real good, like, you know, salt, pepper, and there's a little zest in there. I don't know what it is, but it's a little bit of zest. Just really kicks it up a notch. All right, let those go for a little bit, and we'll warm that corn up. All right, these are getting a little firmer. Still got some blood squishing out of these. I think I'm gonna push these toward the back. And we'll get the corn on. Definitely getting some flare up, but nothing's burning yet, so that's good. Grab the corns. Put those over here toward the front. And we're just on low still. Everything's on low. It's on these small grills, especially if you got the lid going down. You need to keep an eye on it. Don't be afraid to check it. Don't be afraid to flip it. It cooks fast. It's not your grill at home that you can turn on low and it's 350 and you got time. This baby's probably 400 or 500 degrees. You got to be ready to flip it. That the flame's real close to the meat. The lid's real close. That thing gets hot real quick.
Cooper's waiting for his burger.
Oh, he'll get it. You'll get it, bud.
He can smell it.
You'll get it, buddy. You my best buddy. You'll get it. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. He's a good boy. He's a good leg dog, huh, bud? He's a good leg dog. Let's get you a close-up. I don't know how close Tanya's getting. Let's get you a close-up of this meat just sizzling. Look at that blood coming out of there. Just sizzling on low. Got the corn going. Just roll it a couple times. Let it warm up. It's already cooked. Ah, such a good day, guys. Such a good day. Got some company over here. They're gonna set up a shade canopy. I might walk over there and give the captain a beer, you know, from captain to captain. Never hurts, you know. Just let them know. Yeah, you just let them know, hey, we're sharing a cove. Huh, Coop? We're sharing a cove. Here's a beer, you know. All right, the burgers are looking really good. They're starting to feel a little firm in the middle there. So, are you having cheese, babe, or no cheese?
No cheese for me.
No cheese? No cheese because the veggie, huh?
Vegan.
So, I'm gonna go with some sharp cheddar on mine. Looks like, what did we get, babe? The ultra thin or something?
They only had ultra thin.
Jeez. Well, this is no good. This is no good, guys. Don't get the ultra thin for the lake. Jeez.
It will still melt.
We'll make it work, but man, this breaks all apart. I like to have a nice thick slice, nice thick cut slice that peels off nice. See how this is all breaking apart? That's no good. So Coop and I are both gonna get cheese.
But you can get 2 pieces on yours.
Coop's like his dad. Coop's just like daddy. He likes sharp cheddar cheese. So we'll give him some sharp cheddar. We're gonna
messy.
make it work. I'm not complaining, but we don't want this ever again. That's for sure. Okay, so we got some cheese on ours. Me and Coop got some cheese. Tanya doesn't want any cheese. And we just been rolling these corns and they're coming along really nice. The wind kind of has us rotating and I'm watching this bush to make sure my anchor's not drifting. As long as we don't go past that bush, we're good. So I like to always have some kind of landmark like that to know if I'm drifting or not. Put the cheese away. And I think we can toast some buns, babe.
Yeah, let's toast some buns.
These are feeling real nice. So we're doing the brioche buns today.
Yep.
I love brioche buns. Makes me feel like I'm eating like a pub burger, you know?
I thought you were gonna say more like gourmet.
Well,
But
you know what
pub
I
works.
remember, babe, is when, for our honeymoon, when we went to Manhattan,
Yeah.
and we went to that Irish pub. And whenever I'm at a pub, and I don't know why, I'm not like an expert at pubs or anything, but when I go to a pub, I get the burger that's named after the pub. Every pub I've ever been to, they have a burger named after the pub.
Those will cook really fast.
Yeah. So whatever pub I'm at, I get the burger that's named after the pub. So if you're at like St. Patty's Pub and they got a St. Patty burger, get that thing, man. It's gonna be good every time. And I just remember they had a brioche bun. It was a really, really good.
See, it's already browning.
Yeah, it was a really, really good burger on a brioche bun, and it had like smoked bacon on it, the thick cut stuff, and some kind of special cheese. I don't remember, but some kind of really good cheese. Hand me a plate, babe.
Okay. Patiently waiting.
I got a toasted bun for you. I'm gonna use a spatula. I'm not gonna get too crazy. It's gonna bare-hand it off of there. Okay, nice. Look at that. Nice toasty bun.
Nice, thank you.
Okay, let me get another plate, please. Put this guy on here. So as you learn these grills, you kind of find where your hot spots are. Like right here's a good spot for toasting a bun. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my burger off. I think it's getting a little toasty. Let's take a look at the bottom of it. Yep, nothing's burnt. Should be a nice burger, medium well, I think. Coop doesn't care if his is a little well done. Just move it out of the way so we can keep rolling this corn. The corn's just taking the roll. The corn's just taking a roll all the way across the grill. It's getting nice little brown spots on it. Yeah, this toasts real quick.
Okay, let me set up stuff on the table.
Okay. Alright guys, so here's a closer look at the Magma fillet table, which we're using as basically a food prep station. So I have the Scotty quick release mounts on here. So this table just pops right out. I just lift it right up. It sits there on its own weight. It's a pretty heavy and sturdy table. It's really on there, and it kind of leans a little bit out from the boat, which is awesome because things slide towards this, this back wall, not toward the deck of the boat, which is perfect. I couldn't ask for anything more. So that's my wife's veggie burger right there, the Beyond Patty. This is mine right here, and you can see the way it works is we basically have our plates on the front half, and we have all of our condiments and stuff on the back half. And so when you have people on the boat, today it's just us, but when you have a couple people on the boat, they just kind of, two people stand here, one's got their plate here, one's got their plate here, and they can build their burgers. Before people were, sitting over here, just kind of struggling to build stuff. Now we've got it dialed in with the Magma fillet table. If I ever catch a fish, you better believe I'll fillet that bad boy on here. You're laughing. I will catch a fish one day. I do have a fishing rod. I will catch a fish.
Good that you said if you catch a fish, not
If
when.
Hey, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best. So on mine, I got the sharp cheddar cheese already melted. I'm just gonna get some ketchup on there. I'm not gonna do mayonnaise on mine. Let's see. Let's throw the lettuce on next. Got some nice crisp. What is this, babe?
Romaine.
Romaine lettuce.
Your favorite.
Nice crispy. Just fold that over. We got some really good. Look at these tomatoes. Look at these freaking tomatoes. These are from Slough House. Pick your own. You go there and they weigh your car, and you pick all your own stuff, and then they weigh your car when you leave, and they know how much you took, and you have to take at least 100
Well,
pounds
and
or
the best
like
thing is it's 40 cents a pound.
yeah, and it's the best stuff. It's better than you get from the store. So we got some dill pickle slices on there, and we got some fresh red onion. Put a couple rings on there. I don't go crazy with that stuff. The older I get, the more stuff messes with me. Heartburn, this, that, and the other. We won't get into that, but look at this. Could you ask for a better burger? I mean, look at that. With the sharp cheddar cheese, all these fresh veggies, smash that down. That's just a perfect burger. And this is on a boat at the lake. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't get much better than this. So how's the burger, baby?
So good. Look
Let's
at
see.
this thing.
Let's get a close up. So
Beyond patty.
Beyond patty. Cooked good?
Very good. Yes, there is a pickle, tomato, lettuce, and onion.
Nice.
Perfect.
Nice. Get a bite of that.
It's
Go ahead,
very
man.
thick.
Get a bite. Yeah, guys, it's cooked perfect. Little pink in the middle, but definitely cooked. Good flavor. Really good flavor. Mm-hmm. Juicy. How was it, bud?
So good.
Coop, yours is coming up, bud. We're just letting it cool down. You'll get yours. Here's a better shot of the burger. I'm about halfway through it. Nice, juicy burger. Not too pink, but just pink enough. Coop agrees, huh, bud? You agree? You want your burger? You want a burger? You want a burger? Well, you'll get one. Don't worry. You'll get one, bud. You want your burger? Speak. Speak. Okay. 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 Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, bud. He listens real good when he's got food in the mix. There's your burger, bud.
This is gonna take him like 15 seconds.
Yeah, there's your burger. Cooked perfectly with sharp cheddar cheese.
Such a good boy. He deserves it.
You can down it pretty quick when there's no vegetables or buns in your way, huh? Get that cheese, bud. Get that cheese. Yeah, yeah. Get that cheese. Good boy. Alright, how did Daddy cook it? Was it good? Did Daddy do a good job? Daddy do a good job, bud? How was it? How was it?
I think we could eat like 10 more of those.
Man, he's loving it. There you go, bud. Alright guys, deep water swimming by the dam. Here we go.
How's it?
Oh, it feels good. Woo. This feels so much better here. Woo. So much more refreshing, clean, cool. Oh, it's awesome. Well guys, we're out by the dam now. Just did a nice little deep water swim. I love it because it's this cool, crystal clear water. I mean, look at it. You jump in, you can see your feet no problem. Like I said, it's not Tahoe, but man, it's sure a lot clearer than the coves we've been. And there's the dam right there, not too close to it. Tanya just went for a swim as well. Cooper wants to go for a swim, but it's a little sketchy here for him. He does better near the beach where we can stand and get him back in the boat easily. But yeah, I think we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Maybe do a little more swimming. Water here is great. So much cooler than the shallow coves. So much cleaner. The dirt's not all kicked up. The sand's not all kicked up. It's just really, really nice over here by the dam. You getting tired, buddy? Huh? Coop getting tired? Oh, he's getting a little drowsy. Huh, buddy? Oh, yeah, he's getting a little drowsy. Okay, you take a nap.